Imagine this, a laboratory floating 250 miles above the Earth where gravity is no obstacle. Welcome to the International Space Station, humanity's home away from home. Here, scientists crack the code of our universe one experiment at a time. It's not only about space exploration, it's also about technology development. From robotics to telemedicine, the station is a hotbed for innovation. Picture a robot performing complex tasks with minimal human intervention, or envision a doctor diagnosing a patient from thousands of miles away. The station is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's where we push the boundaries, defy the odds, and dream of what's beyond our blue planet. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, that tiny speck of light is where the future is being shaped. The International Space Station is more than just a spacecraft. It's a catalyst for human progress.